If you're a beginner guitarist and you are struggling with something we all struggle with as a beginner guitarist, and that is changing chords, and you just want something really fun to play, something you can actually play the whole way through that your family and friends will think sound great, then you're in the right place, because we just need to know one chord, and by the end of this lesson you're going to have something really fun, really bluesy and rocky that will just sound great on the acoustic guitar. Alright, and it starts with this, the simple humble E chord. Alright, now if you don't know the E chord, we need our first finger on the G string in the first fret, our middle finger on the A in the second, and your third finger underneath that. And that's the E chord, right? We play every single string there. Alright, once you've got that down, we just need to lock in our rocky strumming, and to do that, we just need to use downstrokes. Alright, and we just get the top bassy strings. Now, we're going to count to 4, and on the 4, we are going to do a bigger stroke, alright? So like this. 1, A, 2, A, 3, A, 4, A, 1, A, 2, A, 3, A, 4, A, 1, A, 2, A, 3, A, 4, A. Alright? And that's the strumming, alright? Make sure you get that locked in. And I want you to do that 4 times in the E chord, alright? 1, A, 2, A, 3, A, 4, A, 1, A, 2, A, 3, A, 4, A. Alright, now, after you've done that, what we want to do is we want to take this shape and just slide it up to the 6th and 7th fret, alright? We don't need to take our fingers off the fretboard, we can just slide it up to the 6th and 7th fret and do the exact same thing. Now, it might just take you a little bit of time to navigate that, but use the dots on your guitar. That's what they're there for, alright? To navigate a bit quicker. Alright, once you're on the 6th and 7th fret, right, your first finger on the 6th and these fingers on the 7th, we want to do the exact same thing for 2 bars, which will be 1, A, 2, A, 3, A, 4, A, 1, A, 2, A, 3, A, 4, A. And then back to E for another 2 bars. 1, A, 2, A, 3, A, 4, Alright, and that's 8 bars. Now we're going to make this a 12-bar blues by finishing it off like this. We're going to take our fingers up to the 8th and 9th fret for 1 bar. 1, A, 2, A, 3, A, 4, A. Back to 6 and 7 for 1 bar. 1, A, 2, A, 3, A, 4, A. And back to E for 2 bars. 1, A, 2, A, 3, A, 4, A. Alright, and you can finish with that. I mean, that will sound pretty cool when you play it all the way through. But if you want to really test yourself, or once you're comfortable with that, this is what makes it sound super cool, super rocky, is by adding your pinky on, and in the E chord, this would be on the 3rd fret of the low E. And you want to do this at 2, alright, at the 2 count. So 1, A, 2, A, 3, A, 4, A, 1, A, 2, A. 1, A, 2, A. And again, just move that to every single chord and you play it on the 2. 1, A, 2, A, 3, A, 4, A. Alright, and that's it. Simple, bluesy, and really fun. I hope you enjoyed that. Take it easy, and I'll see you soon with the next one.